Yesterday I woke up at 6 in the morning because it's going to be a very long journey ahead, and now it's like 16 or 18 degrees, freaking cold. Hi Jeremy, so what do I do tomorrow?
Okay, the boss says that he wants you to go to this place called Lăng Cô, which is across the Hai Bong Pass, pretty near Da Nang. Okay, he also asked if you have any accident insurance.
What? Okay, Lăng Cô is an Elysian settlement nested in front of the backdrop of Hai Bong Ridge, facing the sea, and there are two ways of getting there, either by the tunnel through Hai Bong Pass or the more adventurous way through the pass itself. Okay, first thing before we cross over the pass is to have our breakfast. This is bangkang. It's a kind of noodle soup, which is very nice. If you happen to be in the central Vietnam, these are the list of things that you should try. Okay, so this is Lăng Cô. Okay, the first thing I do after surviving the pass is to eat the lunch. This is a very popular dish in Vietnam. It's called Niêu Hấp. It's actually a clam that steamed with lemongrass with a tingling of sweetness. In the central area, they will add in some chili. It's actually very delicious, and the reason I choose this restaurant is because of the view. This view is really beautiful. The thing about Lăng Cô is often overlooked by many tourists. Most people that come to central Vietnam tend to look at Da Nang, Hoi An, Hue, but Lăng Cô seems to be missing out. In fact, Lăng Cô has a lot of very nice resort. The place also look pretty much like Australia. Also, some of the resorts actually look very much like Mauritius. It's a very beautiful place. One good thing about this drone is it flies really quietly, very soft. So basically, if you're flying over someone or some houses above, basically they can't hear it. That's good when you want to film something without being detected and faster pack up and go. Now it's 6:30. I think I lost my train ticket to Hue.